based on the 2018 K.C.S.E results, 651,189 candidates qualified for placement to tertiary institutions at various levels under government sponsorship. Of these, 90,744 attained a mean grade of C+ and above, meaning that they are all qualified to join local universities. I wish to announce that all the candidates who scored C+ and above in the 2018 K.C.S.E examination will be selected for admission to degree courses in both public and private universities. I actually don't know whether I should repeat that because I've seen articles that say otherwise. But further, 121,288 who scored C plain and C- in the 2018 K.C.S.E examination are all eligible for placement in diploma courses in tertiary TVET institutions under the government sponsorship program. I have this morning directed KUPS to open its online application system for the exercise. This will go on until Saturday, February 23rd, 2019. I therefore invite all K.C.S.E examination candidates who wish to revise their choices for degree, diploma, and certificate courses for government sponsorship to proceed with the exercise as soon as the portal is open.